In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out in n8n. If you've finished your work and want to log out of your account properly, this is a very quick process. Signing out is a good habit, especially if you're using a shared computer or you simply want to keep your workspace secure when you're done. Start by looking at the lower left area of the n8n screen. In that section, you'll find the gear icon, which is the settings icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the settings options. If you don't immediately recognize it, just look for the small gear-shaped symbol near the bottom left of the interface. Once the settings menu opens, look through the available options until you see Sign Out. When you find it, click on Sign Out. That's it. After you click Sign Out, n8n will log you out of the current session. This means you'll be taken out of your account, and if you want to access your workflows again later, you'll need to sign back in. If the option doesn't appear right away, take a second to make sure the settings menu is fully open and that you're clicking the correct icon in the lower left corner. On some screens, the layout may look slightly different depending on your window size or version, but the sign out option is still typically found through the settings area. A helpful tip is to always confirm that you've actually been signed out before leaving the page, especially on a public or work device. That way, you can be sure your account stays protected. So, to quickly recap, go to the lower left corner, click the gear or settings icon, and then click Sign Out. It's a simple process and only takes a few seconds, and that's how to sign out in n8n.